Good morning. Today we're going to talk with Keith Aggson from the Atascadero Fire Department. Good morning, Keith.
Good morning.
Keith, could you tell us your story about becoming a fire captain and paramedic, including other jobs you might have had and the path you took to get here?
Okay. Well, I started off while I was in high school at Atascadero and taking the opportunity to go to a job fair that had California Department of Forestry there, and they explained some courses that were available through Allen Hancock College to learn about basic wildland firefighting. I attended a course while still in high school, an evening course and a weekend course. It was called the Basic 32 and the Basic 40, and they were a wildland firefighting course that enabled us to learn information and obtain a certificate to make us eligible to test for a seasonal firefighter job with the Department of Forestry and other agencies that offered part-time firefighting positions, mainly for the summertime for wildland firefighting.
And how long was that course?
It was they called it the Basic 32 and 40. It was basically the Forest Service 32 class and the CDF 40 class combined. So it was a 40-hour course over about a 6-week period. It was a great opportunity to get my foot in the door, and I also had a neighbor that was a battalion chief at a Santa Barbara County Fire Department that encouraged me to get involved in firefighting and the fire services. So that was my initial step in.
And what's the most favorite moment you've had being a firefighter?
Well, I've been on with the Department of Atascadero for a total of 24 years full-time, and I've also been a paramedic for that period of time as well. And over the 24 years, I've had the opportunity to deliver 7 babies in the field, which has been very exciting and very rewarding feeling being able to do that.
And are there entry-level positions that would lead to becoming a firefighter, or is it just take the courses and then go there?
Yeah, the one thing that our department offers is a cadet firefighter program. So students that are juniors and seniors in high school have the opportunity to apply for a cadet program, which is usually a semester long. It's through work experience at the high school and gives those students the opportunity to come down the firehouse. They're issued uniforms and some protective equipment, and they're given a wide area of training to learn and understand what the career of emergency services and firefighting is. So they get to respond to emergency calls, they do training with the shifts, and they're learning a great deal about what it takes to become a firefighter. And we also do some career counseling. So that's the first step as a cadet. If you're out of high school, we have a reserve firefighter program in which you apply. If you're 18 with a driver's license, you can apply for a position. If you get picked up and you're accepted, we have a vocational fire academy through Allen Hancock College.
And is that a volunteer position or is it a paid position?
It's a paid position, but almost at volunteer wages. So
okay.
It's about $8.50
so minimum wage, basically.
Minimum wage, and mainly a lot of the individuals that do that program, they're typically going to school or they're working part-time, and they're moving towards obtaining a career in the field of firefighting. So it's a great way to obtain a lot of experience. And then the last part of that is we do have a seasonal firefighter program, very similar to the Department of Forestry or CAL FIRE now. That gives students the opportunity, or gives individuals the opportunity to work on shift as an engine company member, and they gain a great deal of experience. They get a lot of career counseling, and for us, firefighting, it's a vocational job to start with. We're fortunate that Allen Hancock College, just to the south of us, has a really great program for the full-time fire academy and a lot of emergency service courses that are available, and a lot of them are available online as well.
Well, it sounds like the fire department and the Allen Hancock College are both on board in getting more firefighters and giving everybody an opportunity to get there. In this year, 2014, is this a career that you would say that would be a good path to go down for a young person?
Yeah, absolutely. There's a ladder of success in order to obtain a position. You don't just walk right in and obtain a full-time job as a firefighter. There are some training courses. There's a lot of hands-on experience and working some summer work as seasonal firefighter. But the need is always there, and it's continuing to grow as our population grows and as people continue to populate California.
That's great. Well, thank you for taking the time this morning to talk to us about becoming a firefighter, and you as a firefighter, paramedic, and captain with the Atascadero Fire Department. If you'd like to see interviews of other vocations, of course, we're here at RotaryCareerHelp.org. Thank you, Keith.
Thank you.